Hello students, welcome back. This is class 9 Geography chapter 2 Endogenetic Movements part 2. In the first part we have already completed about the formation of fold mountains. Now we'll continue with a further lesson. Try this. Take a long strip of thin paper, hold one end of the paper in your right hand, hold the other in your left hand. Pull both the ends away from each other. Observe what happens to the paper strip. In this activity, tension is created when you pull both the ends away from each other. Similarly, when movements occur in opposite direction to each other, tension is generated and faults are formed in the Earth's crust. Block mountains. Because of internal movements, horizontal waves moving away from each other are formed. This causes tension on the layers of rocks. This leads to fractures in the rocks. When a part of the Earth's crust in between two parallel faults is lifted, it looks like a block. As you see in the figure, such a landform is known as a block mountain. The hilltops of block mountains are flat. In the early stages, they do not have any peaks. Their slopes are steep. For example, Black Forest Mountain in Europe and Meghalaya Plateau of India has been formed in similar way. Next activity. Take 3 notebooks of the same size, hold them on tightly on a table keeping a distance of 2 to 3 centimeters. Remove the 2 notebooks on each end away from the central one. Observe what happens. So as you see, the middle book subsides. When horizontal movements on the Earth's surface act in opposite direction, it causes tension on the rocks in the Earth's crust. When tension increases, fractures develop in the rocks. This leads to formation of faults. Consequently, rocks on both the ends slides and the continuity in the layer of rocks is not found. Rift Valley. Sometimes 2 fractures develop side by side in the Earth's crust. The land in between the 2 fractures subsides. This subsided deep part is called as Rift Valley. Both the slopes of a rift valley are steep. For example, the Rift Valley of River Narmada in India, the Great Rift Valley of Africa, and the Rhine River Rift Valley of Europe. Now let us understand the second division of slow movements, that is continental building epiorogenic movements. Slow movements occur towards the center or from the Earth's center towards the Earth's crust. Because of these movements, a vast part of the Earth's crust is uplifted or gets subsided. When a part of the Earth's crust is uplifted, that means above the mean sea level, continents are formed. Therefore, these movements are called continent building movements. Extensive plateaus can also be formed because of such movements. If the originally continental portion of the crust subsides below the sea level, it forms a part of a seabed. As you see in this diagram, the uplifted part in green is the continental part and the subsided part in the blue color is the seabed. Now let us recollect what we have already completed in these 2 parts. Because of the movements below the Earth's surface, natural events occur like slow movements, which leads to formation of mountains and continents. These internal movements are classified on the basis of velocity, direction, and the landforms. Mountain building movements leads to compression and tension, and because of compression, fold mountains are formed. Fold mountains are formed when the layers of the Earth's crust are folded by compression. Because of tension, block mountain and rift valleys are formed. Block mountain. When a part of the Earth's crust between 2 parallel faults is lifted, a block mountain is formed. Rift valley. Sometimes 2 fractures develop side by side in the Earth crust. The land in between the 2 fractures subsides. This subsided deep part is called a rift valley. Continent building movement. A vast portion of the Earth's crust is uplifted or gets subsided. When the part of the Earth's crust is uplifted, continents are formed. Therefore, these movements are called continent building movements. So by this, we complete the second part of the lesson. Thank you very much.